In front of me is Honor Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on any password that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!